watching Drew perform.
Got Neely in here from Texas Harley Davidson. He's going to be sitting in the car while he does this jump, along with the owner. Look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Woo! All right, guys, so we're getting ready, kicking off. It's about 10, 15 after. We thought it was going to rain really bad, so we didn't think anybody was going to show up. It's turned out to be really big today. We got a handful of people here, but we got some cars pulling in. We're going to go catch them as they're rolling in. So check it out. This is all the people that are here right now. It's about 10, 12 after, so we basically are just now getting this thing kicked off. But check it out right here. Z06, 2023 Z06. Love it. Look at that. Matte black. Yep. Another 70th anniversary Arctic white. Look at that. Whoop. Love that sound. Nice blue Stingray. Admiral blue. Check it out. Over here in this parking lot down the way, all those guys about to be rolling in here in a minute. The one downside is, like the last time we had this, where are they going to park? Where are you going to park, man? Where do you park? And they were getting here on time. But check it out. Look at this event. Look at all the people out here. You know, and we were going to have a lot of rain. So, of course, it looked like it was going to be slowing down. We weren't going to get a lot of people to show up. I was kind of down in the dumps, a little disappointed, a little frustrated. We put a lot of effort into this, but check it out. Just walking through here, look at all these people that are here right now already. We're going to catch some of these cars here in a little bit. But it's going to be a blast. We got food trucks here. We've got a DJ up at the front over there playing some music. There's Carlos right here. You can tell Carlos, the YouTuber, because of all the cameras on his car. So you guys got to go follow him. New Horizon C8. But we're going to wait. When those guys pull in over there, we're going to catch them pulling in. So here they come. DFW Kings and Queens. Kevin right there. Man, I swear I love that car. Holy cow. Oh, and a manual. I like it. Very nice. Elkhart Lake Blue or Laguna Blue. I mean, I don't know which one that is. We'll just call it whichever because, you know, what's going on, guys? And check it out. Finding a place in here. Ooh, I love that wrap. Look at that. Mr. XC. Sexy? I don't know. That's awesome. Xavier. Oh, that's his name, Xavier. All right. He's got the GoPro up, catching everybody. Nice torch red Stingray right there. Whoop! How's it going? This is literally a parade of cars, DFW Kings and Queens. What's up, guys? Very, very nice. Victory red, C6, a lady driver. We love to see it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, check out this Grand Sport. The car that got me back into Corvettes, the C6 Grand Sport. Absolutely love it. Shark Gray, I believe. What's up, guys? Kalahari interior, looking good. I'm not sure what color this one is. Let's see. Yes, that's right. Corvette Racing Yellow. The same car I have in my garage, although it looks like he's got some nicer wheels, some nice aftermarket wheels. Love it. Corvette, and he's got the ACS diffuser fins. Fantastic. Check it out. Nice silver Stingray C7, Rapid Blue C8, Sky Cool Gray interior, convertible, looking good. Z51 Edge Yellow brake calipers, you gotta love it. And this is the Batmobile, love this one. Black convertible, Edge Yellow brake calipers, yellow ring on the edge of the wheel, looking good. What's up, guys? How are you? Absolutely, another lady driver. We love it, love it, love it. What's going on, man? Arctic White, Grand Sport, chrome wheels, convertible, and check out this carbon fiber spoiler. That is definitely a different one. Like it a lot, man. Another red. I don't know if that's Long Beach red. Pretty sure that's Long Beach red. I do struggle with colors. What's going on, man? Nice Indian motorcycle right here. We are Texas Harley Davidson, just so you guys know. Nice Stingray. What's going on, man? Love that wrap on here. And he's super nice. That always helps. What's up, guys? So I have not been keeping count. What's going on? How are you guys doing? Another Torch Red. I like the wheels on there. I don't know the name. I can't read it. Looks like it says Kalen, maybe? Very nice. Oh, look at this. Stingray R convertible. Love it, love it, love it. It's got the the 5VM front splitter looking good. Oh, how's it going? How you guys doing? I love those wheels. That looks so good with the Elkhart Lake Blue, man. Another Torch Red, very common color. We love it. Steve's, previous car, what he drove. Very nice convertible right there. Another Corvette Racing Yellow right here. Very nice. What's up, guys? How you doing? Fantastic. That's right, man. I appreciate it. I love it. I love it. And I love seeing all the couples. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Fantastic. Glad you guys came out. I love seeing all the couples together out in their cars. Fantastic, man. My wife even came with me today. Atomic Orange, I believe. Very nice. C6. Let's do the walk down the line. Another beautiful C5 right here. Love that color blue. No idea what color it is, but I love it. Check it out. Listen to that cam in there, man. Woo. Very nice. Hypersonic gray, C8. Listen to that cam, look. Chop, 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 chop. You gotta love that. Another hypersonic gray right here. Love the wheels. Another couple, love it when the couples show up. He's got the same Boston wheels I have. I love it. Black, look at this. Look at this. I seriously don't know where we're gonna fit everybody. How's it going, man? Arctic White, Stingray R. Of course, I love the Stingray R. What's going on, man? How you doing? Very nice. And he's got, I forget the name of this, MBRP, that's it. MBRP exhaust. Sounds good. What's going on, guys? What's up? Rapid Blue C8. Sounds good. Another Stingray R. We gotta love the Stingray R's. I love that. That's not even a wrap. Maybe it is a wrap. I don't know, but that's pretty impressive looking. What's going on, man? How you doing? Holy cow, look at Mo down there. What's going on, man? How are you? Look at that Grand Sport. I swear I love the Grand Sport. Check out the colors. I love this. Man, I love all the different colors with the 5VM arrow. What's going on, man? How are you? Good, good, good. Love those wheels too. Those are the black diamond wheels, but here it is. Mo, what is up, Mo? What's up, guys? Check this thing out, man. This is literally the most insane Vette you will see here today. Man, that's a thumbnail. I got to get a photo later. That's got to be a thumbnail, man. We are still going and going and going. My goodness. What's going on, man? How you doing? Good, good to see you again. Woo, and then nice Grand Sport. Look at all the colors. I love the colors, man. I just love color breaks. Of course, the racing stripes, accelerate yellow. What's up, guys? How are you doing? Fantastic, fantastic. Look at that green. Oh my gosh. Fantastic. How's it going, man? Oh, and then a girl right here. How's it going? That's cool. I love it. And they're getting younger. We need some of the younger crowd. I'm old. That's a really cool wrap on here. Holy cow. I remember, you guys remember last time we had 50. I think maybe We broke that with this club right here, but look at that. Man, that's a beast. Yeah, I'm not racing him. That's not happening. Got a nice Porsche over here too. Check it out. Beautiful C6 Z06 in black. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They're all the way over there. They're everywhere. Holy cow, man. What's up, guys? Absolutely insane. Oh, another lady driver. We love it. And I mean, look, we were full. I hate to keep saying that, but my mind is just like, I'm totally blown away. Elkhart Lake Blue, what's going on? Check this out. I mean, this is a showing. One gentleman's like, yeah. I think they're like, it's a little tight in here. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road. Oh man, scraping that. You gotta hit that at an angle. You gotta hit it at an angle. See, he knows what's up. Yeah, that's much too big of a dip to do it any other way. Man, I was gonna try to get them all, but my goodness. Woo! Luckily, that's a stage one. What's up, guys? How are you doing? That guy is so awesome. I tell you, man, the Corvette crowd has some of the best people you could ever meet, man. Some of the most amazing people. Just don't do the ones on Facebook. Sometimes those guys on Facebook like to be a little snarky, but overall, we got some of the best people in the Corvette community out there. What's going on, man? Ooh, I love these colors. Look at that Z06, that is smoking. I'm actually driving my Z06 on Tuesday. My wife is gonna drive my CA. We're gonna be doing a Christmas, man, I'm dumb, I'm losing my mind here. We're gonna be doing a 4th of July parade. Man, white convertible. He's gonna get on it. I think that's Renee, I'm not 100% sure, but that's about it, man. We're almost done. Got a Jetstream blue. Oh, those C6s are so low. So low. That thing is quiet. No. That thing is beautiful. Love it. Sounds so good. Oh, and check it out. We got a guest here today. Well, Huracan. What is that, a Huracan Evo? We're going to go check it out. Absolutely love. I'm still a Lamborghini fan, man.